Hey there, landscape designer. I'm Charlene Gray. Welcome to Landscape Elevation, where I talk about all things landscape design, geared toward those of you who are landscape design entrepreneurs, whether you're just getting started in your side hustle or you've been in business for years. I hope the things I talk about resonate and help you on your journey as a landscape designer. So some of you may have noticed I haven't been around for a little while. Well, I haven't forgotten about you or anything. I got a puppy. And when I say just, I mean blending a new puppy into your life is a lot of work. My husband and I hadn't had a puppy since we were in our 20s. So it's safe to say that we forgot or maybe never noticed how much work they are. But we also didn't have a daughter or a real house at the time. So yeah, I've just been a bit sidetracked. But also I have 4 design projects being installed this season that have all been 2 to 3 years in the making. So yay. But yeah, adds to the crazy. But despite my video posting absence, I have been able to do quick check-ins with my channel and my website. And so first I would just like to say a huge thank you to those of you who have reached out one way or another with your positive thoughts and your comments and telling me a little bit about your story and your journey as a landscape designer. Your positivity and your encouragement has been absolutely humbling. So thank you. Reading your stories has actually helped me be more grounded during this crazy time, and I really, really appreciate you taking the time to connect. And it's actually these stories that during this mini sabbatical I've taken from creating content, it's been these stories that have made me want to connect with you better, to understand what the things are that I can help you with the most. So while I'm still in the thick of life right now and may not be posting new content reliably for a little while longer, I am going to try to turn this into a good thing. And so I'd like to take this time to gather your input by asking you directly, how can I be of the most help to you? So in your business this year, what do you need to know? What do you need help with as a landscape designer? What specific information could you use from me to help you through this stage in the journey that you're in now? I can see that the series of VWX landmark videos are the heavy hitters when it comes to views on this channel. So of course that has me wondering, should I just be making VWX landmark videos, or, what do you need? So I'm here today to invite you to share your specific needs with me. Basically tell me what you need help with, generally as a landscape designer, as a solopreneuring landscape design business owner, as a VWX landmark user, whatever it is related to landscape design and the process and so forth. So I considered making this a survey, but now I'm actually thinking that you sharing in the comments could actually help spark ideas and questions for other people, other landscape designers, maybe in your same boat. Or, if you'd prefer to direct message me, feel free to do that. I think that's a thing on YouTube. If it's not, just comment survey and I'll make one. So yeah, again, thank you. Please let me know in the comments what you need help with. And thank you. I would genuinely appreciate hearing from you. You've been such an inspiration for me. Now please tell me how I can continue to be an inspiration for you. Okay, thank you for joining me and for watching Landscape Elevation. And remember, my free guides, my free PDF guides are listed below. I've got the example client questionnaire, my 5 steps to prepare for a successful landscape design, and the VWX Keyboard Shortcuts cheat sheet. So thank you, take care, and I hope to see you again really soon, and I hope you have a really, really great week.